Hello, everybody. It's Israel from PRD Telemobile Service. I hope everybody's having a great day at the time of this recording day. Today, we're talking about why you should clay and decon your vehicle's paint. And let's go ahead show you guys that now. All right, guys. I just finished washing the wheels and tires and fender liners, but we're not talking about that. We are talking about your paint. The vehicle's still dirty. It's kind of hard to tell, hard to see. This vehicle is dirty, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you down here. This is mostly where all that brake dust kicks into. So, all right, guys, let's go ahead and show you the process. Why should we clay our vehicle? All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and foam it up real quick. Well, the soap that I'm using is the Apex EOD. It's a very good soap. It's a neutral pH balanced soap. So, hey guys, it's been about 2 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it off. All right, guys, I'm gonna get you guys a little bit closer. The first thing that we mostly do, we're gonna do an iron removal. That means a chemical decon. So the ones that I use for my business is actually the iron remover from DIY Detail. So we're gonna go ahead and spray it. It's not the best smelling thing. This has the technology to turn the iron particles turning purplish color. So we're gonna let it sit here, let it dwell for about good 30 to 60 seconds. Let the chemical do its job, guys. If you do this DIY, please don't do it underneath the sun because it will stain your paint. All right, guys, I'm gonna show you a perfect example. If you see right here, let's see. Hopefully you guys can see it through the camera. It's a little puddle right there. It's turning purple. That means this vehicle does have iron on it. And the iron is your brake dust. There's the brake dust that when we hit the brakes, remember it's kind of metal to metal, and all that dust, all that junk has to come out somewhere. So it comes off the rim, the wind, and everything sticks to the car. This is the reason why we should be doing this at least twice a year. Get your vehicle deconned. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it off. So like I said, guys, I let it sit for a good 30 to 60 seconds. So guys, let's see right there at the floor, the little puddle. Hopefully you guys can see it. It's purple. That means it has iron particles on it. Again, guys, that is that. All right, guys, now we're gonna check if the paint is free of the iron. Sorry for the airplane noise, guys. I do live about 15-20 minutes away from Chicago's O'Hare Airport, so bear with me with the noise. So we're gonna use a clay. It's just showing it because I do use a clay, synthetic clay mitts, synthetic towels. So with this right here is gonna show you if the paint is still dirty or not. Guys, let's go ahead, give you guys a little bit more of a close-up. What I'm using here is clay lubricant. When you guys go use a clay, just let the clay do its job. Now, if you do maintain your vehicle once or twice a week and you do use these chemicals, you really don't need a clay bar. Let's go look at the paint. Give you guys a little bit more close up right here. See guys, as you see right there, that's all the junk that was stuck on the paint. It's not looking good. So this is what I'm gonna this is the process of clean and seal your vehicle. You will feel some grittiness underneath the paint. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and do this off camera through the whole vehicle, and I'm gonna show you what the reason the reason I use this one is to show you guys the results, like right there. All right guys, I'm gonna give you a perfect example right here. I'm gonna grab my hands, I'm gonna put the mic right next to it. This is what you're going to hear if your vehicle has that chemical, that iron on it. Hopefully you guys can hear it through the camera. Let's go ahead and use the iron on it. Guys, yeah, like I said, I am going to do the whole vehicle. I'm going to let that sit, let it dwell. All right, guys, I'm going to rinse it off. And we're going to go ahead and put our hands on it to see if it still has the grittiness. Yes, it still has the grittiness on it. So that means I got to go behind and do a nice little clay on it. Again, guys, the iron could do so much. So now we're going to need to go ahead and do with the clay. All right, guys, we're going to go ahead. Right now, I'm going to use a clay block. This is how it looks, a clay block. It does the same thing as a clay bar, but this is synthetic. It's safer for all paints, glass surfaces. It will not mar your paint. As the guys, do not put pressure on it. Let it glide on your paint. Let the clay do its job. As with even this, you could go right here, clear the glass. Remember, guys, we are exfoliating the paint. We're taking all that grime, all that junk out of your paint. Yes, what I'm using for a clay lubricant is the Koch chemie. That's what I'm using. Guys, I do use high quality products here in the business. Just to assure you guys getting the results what you guys are looking for. Look at that. Nice and smooth. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse that off. Give you guys a close-up on the hearing. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and give you guys a close-up and hearing. That's what we're looking for. That's what we're looking for, guys. Look. Nice and smooth. Guys, I hear all that grit on that paint. Hopefully you can, I'm gonna get close. I hope you guys can hear it over the planes. I'm sorry again about that. There's nothing that I can do about that. And guys, all right guys, this is all done. I'm over in the drying stage. Now we're gonna give you the reason why we clay the vehicle. So the reason we clay the vehicle is, of course, is to take out all the kind was on the air, all the brake dust, all that junk is on the paint. So now when you go ahead and use a sealant or spray wax or paste wax, it doesn't matter what wax you're using, a spray sealant. So if you guys go ahead and read the bottle of any product, we'll tell you, oh yeah, it's gonna be about 2 to 3 months paint protection. So now you go ahead, use that spray on your vehicle without doing this treatment. I mean, your paint, that wax or that sealant that you're using, it's not gonna last up to that 2 to 3 months. It might last 1 month. It might last 1 week. That's the reason why we clay the vehicle. Well, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the paint up close after I dried it, to show you how safe it is to use a synthetic clay. So guys, now I'm gonna go ahead do the protection on it. This protection is telling red extraction gives us about 2 to 3 months. Of course, guys, well maintained, and the product that I'm using is pretty cool. I like the design. The signature wax from Katiba. Katiba. Guys, this is not a paid promotion. It's a product that I saw, I liked. I am going to give it to squirts on the panel and go ahead and wipe it in. Pretty slick. All right, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish it off now with a gloss booster. I guess it's a 2-system. Yep. So let's go ahead and see. And I will show you guys the end of the result when the vehicle is done. And this is why you should get your vehicle clayed and sealed. I hope you guys could see the shine through the camera. Again, guys, if you like the video, please hit that like button and that share and subscribe. All right, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I am going to show you the end result on this, how this vehicle looked right after we clayed the vehicle. We washed it, clayed it, a chemical decon, and we finished it up with a wax sealant. So guys, if you guys really do like this video, please give it a thumbs up, that share button, and subscribe. See you guys at the next one.